Let me be candid with you. It can be hard to tell whether being candid is a good or bad thing. Candid comes from the Latin candidus, which means shiny white. Candid as white became a metaphor for pure, just, and sincere in English when it was borrowed in the late 17th century. These are all virtuous and attractive qualities, right? In recent decades, especially in politics and journalism, we've really taken to the word candid to mean frank, that is, direct and unreserved, especially about difficult topics. A candid interview with a celebrity tackles tough and personal questions. And for as much as a candid photograph means a person is unposed and informal, it can also be unflattering. Why do you think we all spend so much time perfecting our selfies? So is candid good or bad? We value when people, especially politicians, don't BS us. But facing the facts is very challenging and uncomfortable. Again, I have to be candid with you. It's a little bit of both, because this word isn't so black or white.